Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily. 3 videos a day, and you do not want to miss it. So you might as well watch all the videos from today, yesterday, and binge watch your favorite playlist today. In today's video, we are going to do a deep dive on self-lender. So many of you guys have been hearing about it, talking about it, wondering what it is. That's why you're searching for it on YouTube if you're a new viewer. But I'm going to talk about self-lender because I actually used it in my credit repair journey. I can tell you my experience, what I think about it, if there's better options. We're going to make this video between 8 to 10 minutes long, try to give you all stuff and no fluff. So rock with me the entire way, because I'm going to be dropping jewels and gems all over this video. Real quick before I get into it though, if this is your first time on my channel, just want to give you a huge thank you for your time and your trust. I promise not to waste your time. These videos are very informal, talking head videos where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to get high access to credit funding, tips and tricks with credit, you name it. And we have an entire community on Facebook that's a private community. You guys can join. Link is in the description below. Subscribe to the channel because I make videos daily like I mentioned earlier, and you guys can get involved in the comment section and get your questions answered and serve others and help us all win in credit together. So welcome to the channel. So blessed to have you. All right guys, let's get into self-lender. So 2 of the things that you always need when you're building credit or rebuilding credit is revolving lines of credit, which are like credit cards, lines of credit, and then you need installment debt, which is going to be mortgage, car loan, personal loan, shared, secured, whatever you want to name it, but it's an installment. Basically, there's a set amount, a set time where that debt is going to run out. Now, self-lender is not going to be anybody that doesn't need to build credit or repair credit. Let's just be completely honest. This company serves a very, very good purpose, and they've been in business for a very long time. So I trust them. I give them a great review because I use them. I've actually dealt with their customer service, which was phenomenal. I had no issues getting my money back. It built up my credit when I was doing my credit repair journey. And so it worked really, really well for me. So I would recommend them to other people, but there is something that I would recommend at the end of this video that could be a little bit better than self. I don't hate self, I like self, but I will give you a recommendation at the end earlier. But let me kind of tell you why this is going to help. If you've ever had a bankruptcy, you're going to need to have positive trade lines, revolving and installment. This is going to be an installment debt weapon that you can use to help boost up your profile as you come back from bankruptcy. There's going to be a lot of credit unions that won't work with you. You're going to need to use fintech companies that do things like this. So if you've had a bankruptcy, you need to go to self and start getting a 24-month loan term with them, and you can do as little as $25 a month. Okay, and you're going to get that money back. But basically what's going to happen is you're going to choose the term of the loan that you want. You're going to choose the amount that you can pay per month. And at the end of that term, you're going to get your money back. And they're going to make a little bit of interest off the monthly payment or whatever. That's just how it works out. They got to make money. But it's very negligible, and it's going to be huge for your credit repair credit repair journey. Now, for those of you that are starting your credit, whether you're a new immigrant to America, whether you're 18 and just starting off your credit, whether you were on Dave Ramsey's program and never used a credit card, and now you got to build a credit, this is going to be a great option for you. Okay. Now, let me kind of go over some of my data points, and then we'll go through the website a little bit. That way you guys better understand it. And if you guys have used self-lender, put in the comment section that you used it. How was your experience? Do you recommend any other products for people that are rebuilding their credit or starting their credit journey? What worked for you? And if you guys are building credit, what's your question about credit? Put it in the comment section below. So self-credit is going to be formerly known as self-lender. They're a major fintech company that's been around a long time. Highly recommend them. After your term, you're going to get your money back. There's going to be no hard pull credit check. There will be a soft pull, and it's only for people that will be, the only people that will be denied was for people that actually committed fraud. That's basically what that's about. But if you had a bankruptcy, that's okay. Horrible credit, that's okay. No credit, that's okay. You choose your terms, 12 to 24 months. Pay off early if you want. No penalties to do that. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and it starts showing up within 30 days. It's going to be great for credit building. It's going to be better options. than a lot of different things out there. There's better options like credit unions for sure, but if you have horrible credit and you're getting denied by the credit unions, then this is going to be the best bet for you. But this is going to help you build your credit quick. Now let's go into it. No credit, need to build credit, no problem. You apply for a credit builder account, you pay off your credit builder account in a specific time frame. Each on-time monthly payment builds credit history and adds to your savings. I did automatic payments so I would never miss it. So I would recommend that you guys do that. Once you paid off your credit builder account, your CD unlocks and the money is yours. And you can learn more about it and you can get started right from the website, or you can download the app and do it that way. They also have a Self Visa credit card, which I'll do a separate video on so we can keep this video short. But that's a way that you can leverage your Self Builder account, the one right here where you're building like a term loan, an installment debt for your credit report. You're going to be able to leverage that to build a revolving line. So you literally can go to this company for installment and revolving. You don't need to have credit history. It's going to help you build history with all three of the credit bureaus. It's not going to fall off because it's bank issued. Okay. Payments history makes up 35. We know that. And then if I go here, you're going to be able to see it's going to be available in all 50 states. And your path to secured credit card unlock. You're going to be able to have a path to a secured credit card with the Self Visa credit card. And you guys can apply, set up ASAP. Let me just see if this will work real quick if I reset this thing here. And while it's doing this, I'll also put these links in the description so you guys can check this out. What is a credit builder loan is, who can benefit from a credit builder loan, how a credit builder loan can help your credit, where to get credit builder loan. All these things is going to be very informative for you guys. Also, I have an entire credit builder playlist on my channel. I would definitely recommend Vero as well to help you get a higher credit line up to $10,000 and start doing checking with that. So I would recommend Self and Vero and Credit AI. Help you guys get started with these fintechs and then get involved in a credit union that will work with you. Okay. Now, I do want to let you guys know this right here. I'm going to play this for you guys so you can hear this.
The Self Credit Builder account is an installment loan that enables people to build positive payment history and save money. The best part? You don't need a credit score to get started. And as you pay the Credit Builder account, your payment history is reported to all three major credit bureaus. At the end, you've established credit history and the money in your account unlocks and comes back to you, minus interest and fees. Self. Build credit, save money, do it yourself.
And that's the whole goal, right? To build credit, do it yourself. So anyways, guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you've had Self, put it in the comment section. What are the companies you recommend? I recommend Self, Vero, Credit AI, credit unions for sure. Get those revolving installment lines. You guys can bounce back from horrible credit. You guys can build a crazy good credit profile. You want to make sure that you don't do too many of these if you're building credit. But if you're rebuilding credit, you want to do all of them, okay? You want to just flood it with good trade lines, okay? But when you're starting credit, don't do too many of these things. Maybe a Self, maybe a Vero, whatever you want to do. But Self is going to be good because it's going to give you the installment that you need. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Join me on my private Facebook group. Add me on Instagram at Radical Marketer with a K. Links in the description, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Salute.